Hello, my darlings. I hope you're well. Thank you to everybody who has sent their previous homework and your lovely messages. I'm still waiting for some of you though. Please send your homework as soon as you can, because you know it's very important. I know that the previous topics might have been a bit challenging, so I thought, why not do something more creative and fun today? I hope you all have your Nelson pupil books with you, but even if you don't, no problem. I will provide you with all the information that you need. Let's start by reading a poem by James Carter. I want to see your fingers following as I read, and I have secret eyes in your home so I can see if you're following or not. Sorry, I wasn't listening to a single word you said. I drifted off into the mist that grew inside my head. Sorry, I wasn't listening. I didn't hear a sound. I went where dreams of dreams have dreams, and sky and ground swap around. Sorry, I wasn't listening. Aliens were at the door, asking for directions to the planet XR4. Sorry, I wasn't listening. Some pirates came for me. First, I had to walk the plank, and then I made them tea. Sorry, I wasn't listening. I don't know what went on. Could you say it one more time? Hang on, where have you gone? I hope you enjoyed this poem by James Carter. Now let's look at the glossary in your books. So single means one. Directions are instructions about how to get from one place to another. To walk the plank means to be forced to walk off a wooden plank on a ship into the sea. Actually, we had this during our PBL lessons when we studied pirates. Do you remember? Let's also look at the words drifted. Drifted means wandered, and to swap means to change. Now I'd like to ask you guys some comprehension questions, but let's make a deal. Press pause, find your own answer, and then listen to mine. And let's be fair, guys, because remember, I have eyes in your house. My first question is, why is the boy apologizing in the first verse? Press pause, no cheating. Are you ready to hear the answer? So in the first verse, the boy was apologizing because he wasn't listening. My second question is, who is the boy talking to in the third verse? In the third verse, the boy is talking to aliens. Next question. What does the boy make the pirates in the fourth verse? The boy makes the pirates tea in the fourth verse. What does the boy ask at the end of the poem? The boy asks, where has the person speaking to him gone? Now look carefully at the poem and answer my questions. Which line is repeated in every verse of the poem? The line, sorry, I wasn't listening, is repeated in every verse. Do you think it is good that this line is repeated so often? Why? Now, you might have a different answer, but I think it is good because it reminds the reader what the poem is about, and it also tries to bring the wandering mind back to the subject. Which lines of the poem rhyme. The second and fourth line of each verse rhyme. Now give 3 examples of pairs of words that rhyme in the poem. I can give you more than 3. Set, head. Sound, round. Door, XR4. Me, T. On, gone. Now I will ask you some more questions. I'd like you to press pause, write your answers in your copybook, and send them to my email. You know my email. Now, what is humorous poetry? Humorous poetry makes us smile or laugh. It may be about a funny person, event, or situation. One type of funny poem is a limerick. Limericks always have 5 lines. Lines 1, 2, and 5 rhyme, and lines 3 and 4 rhyme. Now I will read to you a limerick by a 19th century writer called Edward Lear, who wrote many funny poems and limericks and also drew the picture. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren have all built their nests inside my beard." Do you think this limerick was funny? Now, I'd like you guys to note down in your copybooks the rhyming words that you found in this limerick. Now let's get creative. It's your turn to write a limerick. You can either use this one and complete it, or write your own. Don't forget to send me the homework that I gave in this video. Our online lessons will start very soon, and I cannot wait to see you guys. Yeah, that's it. This has become our tradition now.